Welcome back to my channel Buildbright-tech's video on creating a Chatling-based chatbot. We'll guide you through creating, training, and deploying a chatbot without coding. This tutorial is suitable for beginners and students new to chatbot development. Step 1. Open Chatling website. 1. Open your web browser. 2. In the address bar, type chatling.ai and press enter. 3. Wait for the homepage to load completely. Step 2. Sign up or log in. 1. On the homepage, click on the sign up button if you are a new user. 2. You can sign up using your email address or Google account. 3. If you already have account, click on login and enter your credentials. Step 3. Create a new chatbot. 1. From the dashboard, click on the Create Chatbot or New Bot button. 2. Enter a name for your chatbot, such as Student Support Bot. 3. Select the language for your chatbot. Step 4. Add training data. Chatbots need data to answer questions correctly. Option 1. Add website data. 1. Choose the option Train from website. 2. Enter the website URL you want the chatbot to learn from. 3. Click Start Training and wait for the process to complete. Option 2. Add text manual. 1. Select Add text or manual training. 2. Type questions and answers related to your topic. 3. Save the information after entering the content. Option 3. Upload files. 1. Choose Upload files. 2. Upload documents such as PDF, docx, or TXT files. 3. Allow Chatling to process and learn from the uploaded files. Step 5. Customize chatbot settings. 1. Open the Settings or Customize section. 2. Set the chatbot's behavior, such as tone formal or friendly. 3. Customize the welcome message. Step 6. Test your chatbot. 1. Use the Test Chatbot or Preview option. 2. Ask sample questions related to your training data. 3. Check whether the chatbot responds correctly. Step 7. Integrate the chatbot into a website. 1. Go to the Integrations section. 2. Select Website Embed. 3. Copy the provided embed code. 4. Paste this code into your website's HTML file before the closing body tag. Step 8. Share the chatbot link. 1. If you do not have a website, use the Share Link option. 2. Copy the chatbot link. 3. Share the link with users or students to start chatting. Step 9. Monitor and improve the chatbot. 1. Open the Analytics or Chat History section. 2. Review user questions and chatbot responses.